Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to feature popular 2022 Pixie haircut ideas. The first one kicks things off with a red Pixie. It looks to me as if she is a natural redhead just because her eyebrows do match her hair. And she's a very soft, almost kind of brunette slash redhead, so it's not an intense red color, but it's more of like a soft reddish brown hue that she has. So the stylist is just kind of shaping her up, trimming the edges, trimming the middle, and she has kind of like an edgier Pixie haircut just because the hair is so volumized at the top. Absolutely love this look. I think that this is just a classic, flawless Pixie haircut. Alright, so next up we are going to see another classic Pixie, and this is someone that is going to be doing a hair transformation. She starts off with about mid-length back hair, and this stylist places the hair into the 4 ponytails, which we always know that is the go-to for when we see these transformations. And the stylist is cutting off the ponytails. And because the hair is banded, we're going to assume that she is going to be donating the hair. Her hair might actually not be long enough for a donation. I'm not entirely sure because I know that there does have to be a certain length. But there is the transformation. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is like a classic Pixie cut. She has bangs in the front, so it is a bit of a bowl, but the bangs are kind of wispy. So definitely gorgeous. Love the natural looking makeup. And because it did show the hair, they probably are going to donate it. Alright, so next up we are going to see an undercut Pixie transformation. So she pretty much starts off with a bob length, and then the stylist is going in to shave the sides and trim up the rest of the hair. And she has more of that undercut Pixie. This could also be named a long Pixie, but because it does have that undercut, it does have more of a shorter feel to it than a longer Pixie would. But I think that this style looks absolutely gorgeous. Love the winged eyeliner. You guys know I always have to talk about the makeup as well. So next up we are going to see from that same stylist the classic Pixie with a little bit of color. So the stylist cut the hair and now he is blowing the hair out to create shape. She has absolutely gorgeous cheekbones, a gorgeous bone structure, so I think that the Pixie haircut is definitely a great look for her. Next up, we are going to see more of a long Pixie haircut. The long Pixie does feature more length, usually in the front, but sometimes it can also feature more length in the back as well. It just depends on how, the style is done. The purple Pixie, super gorgeous. And then last we have the bowl cut Pixie, which features more bangs in the front. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.